The Maharashtra elections weren't just about winning the state, it was also a prestige battle between Uddhav Thackeray against Eknath Shinde. This election was an opportunity for them to settle the debate of who actually led the Shiv Sena. Was it Uddhav Thackeray or Eknath Shinde for the Shiv Sena? From auto rickshaw driver to Maharashtra Chief Minister, Eknath Shinde's journey has been quite inspiring.
असा मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून माझी कामे यथायोग्य पार पाडण्यासाठी आवश्यक असेल ते खेरीत करून.
Born in Satara district, Eknath Shinde's political journey wasn't a meteoric rise. His political journey began in 1980s when he was introduced to politics by Anand Dighe, the then Thane Shiv Sena president, when he emerged as a prominent Labour leader. Eknath Shinde's success in local politics paved the way for his entry into the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly and held several key positions. First elected to the Assembly in 2004, he was appointed as the Thane district head of Shiv Sena a year later. Over the years, Eknath Shinde's political influence continued to grow with his re-election in the Assembly in 2009, 2014 and 2019. From 2014 to 2019, he served as the Minister for PWD and was also the Guardian Minister of Thane district. He was later appointed as the Minister for Public Health and Family Welfare in 2019 and also served as the Minister of Urban Development and Public Works and Acting Minister of Home Affairs in late 2019. Once again, Eknath Shinde is at the forefront with Mahayuti winning the Maharashtra elections, scripting history.
ईवीएम का देखो, अभी झारखंड में ईवीएम अच्छा है क्या? झारखंड में, कर्नाटक में ईवीएम अच्छा था. जब भी अभी वो लोग पहले जब जीतने के बाद बोलते ईवीएम अच्छा है, इलेक्शन कमिश्नर अच्छा है, वो लोग तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक तो उनको सलाह मशवरा देते हैं उनको. वो जो यंत्रणा उनके बाजू से मतलब उनके फेवर में रिजल्ट आते अच्छी है. अभी तो वोटर लिस्ट पे भी उन्होंने ऑब्जेक्शन लिया था. तो जब हार जाते हैं तो बोलते ये यंत्रणा खराब है, जीतते तो बोलते अच्छा है. ऐसा कैसा है?
Things turned turtle when in 2022, Eknath Shinde led a revolt within the Shiv Sena, pushing for a breakup of the Mahavikas Aghadi and a re-establishment of ties with BJP. This episode had witnessed a lot of drama with allegations of horse trading and betrayal coming from the Uddhav faction. However, with the support of 40 MLAs, Shinde with top BJP leaders were successful in forming the government and the Balasaheb loyalists taken the CM's chair from the Thackeray's side. Eknath Shinde was sworn in as the 20th Chief Minister of Maharashtra in June 2022 with BJP's Devendra Fadnavis as the Deputy Chief Minister. After assuming the Chief Minister's post, Eknath Shinde staked claim to the party name and symbols, feuding with Uddhav Thackeray. The matter was taken to court and the Election Commission of India recognized Shinde's faction as the official Shiv Sena. Under Eknath Shinde's leadership, the Shiv Sena managed to win only 7 seats during the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The Uddhav Thackeray-led faction, on the other hand, won 9, hinting at a potential political renaissance ahead of the assembly elections. Now, with a massive win, Eknath Shinde and other Mahayuti leaders have credited the Ladki Bahin scheme and development work. But with BJP's stunner performance, all eyes are on what will be in store for Eknath Shinde. NDTV Bureau Report.